Send the next pallet to Bay 4. Everything is running right on schedule.
At the factory, every shipment is carefully received.
Direct the trucks toward the unloading bay. All incoming batches are being recorded. Automated conveyor systems help move. Handle them carefully to avoid damage.
Conveyor line is ready for continuous loading.
Each watermelon is tracked digitally.
All batches are successfully scanned into the system.
Production flow is rotating brushes carefully clean every watermelon to meet strict food safety standards.
These brushes remove every surface impurity.
After washing, the fruit is dried and prepared for automated inspection and sorting. This batch looks fresh and evenly cleaned. Send the premium. After washing, the fruit is dried and prepared for automated inspection and sorting. This batch looks fresh and evenly cleaned. Send the premium. Advanced AI systems inspect every watermelon for size,
Ripeness and quality.
The scanners can detect even the smallest defects.
Even with advanced automation, trained inspectors carefully examine the fruit before production continues. This watermelon meets all quality standards.
The selected fruit now moves
Increase conveyor speed slightly.
toward the cutting and preparation stage of the production process. Cutting powerful automated blades quickly slice the watermelons to prepare them for juice extraction. Blade alignment is perfectly calibrated.
After slicing, the watermelon flesh is separated from the rind before entering the extraction system. The separation line is running perfectly today. The prepared fruit is transported directly into powerful crushing machines for juice extraction. Increase the feed rate gradually.
The crushers are handling the load smoothly.
Stage transforms fresh watermelon flesh into rich juice and pulp for further refinement.
Pressure levels. The crushing stage transforms fresh watermelon flesh into rich juice and pulp for further refinement. Pressure levels are stable across all.
The freshly extracted juice now moves through advanced filtration pipelines. Flow pressure is stable.
Filtration systems are fully active.
Automated separators remove seeds and unwanted particles from the juice.
Seed removal efficiency is perfect. The juice texture looks smooth.
Automated separators remove seeds and unwanted particles from the juice.
Seed removal efficiency is perfect. The juice texture looks smooth.
Large extraction tanks process thousands of liters of watermelon juice every hour.
Temperature levels are under control. Extraction speed remains consistent.
Computerized control systems help maintain consistent juice quality during production. All extraction units are operating normally. Production efficiency is at maximum capacity. Pasteurization helps preserve freshness while ensuring food safety standards. Heating levels are fully stabilized. The safety systems are running perfectly.
Laboratory testing ensures that every batch meets strict quality and safety standards.
Sugar levels are perfectly balanced.
This batch passed all safety tests.
After heating, the juice is rapidly cooled to preserve its fresh flavor and color. Cooling systems are fully stable. Temperature levels are dropping perfectly.
Automated bottling systems prepare thousands of containers every hour.
Bottle alignment is accurate.
The production line is moving smoothly. Advanced scanners inspect every container carefully. Faulty products are rejected immediately. Quality assurance remains strict.
Ensure the priority orders are loaded first on Bay 3.
Already handled. They should be out by noon. Manifest confirmed. Seal number 4R9 is secure. Sign here, please.
Confirmed. Thank you.
Have a safe trip.
The refrigerated trucks leave the factory and head towards supermarkets and retailers. Fresh watermelon juice is now ready for consumers.